Yo, you guys have to see the dope pieces that I got from Oak and Luna. What up? I'm Melissa Fortune of Created by Fortune, and welcome back to my channel. Today we are accessorizing for date night. Super excited about this because I've been eyeing this brand for such a long time, and I've been meaning to step up my jewelry game because I have been lacking in that department. So today I'm going to show you all the pieces that I got and how perfect they are for stacking your ears. I have slight FOMO because I wish I had more holes in my ears for stacking. It's not too late, but I don't know. I'm also a punk, so we'll see. I'm such a sucker for cute packaging. Have a little pull-out tab here. So the first piece is the classic scalped hoop. First of all, the quality feels amazing, but the earring is also lightweight. One thing I hate is heavy earrings. So here's this guy and how it looks on the ear. Next is the classic gold huggy. I love the dome teardrop shape. How cute are these? These are the chunky dome hoops in silver. Hoops are such a classic no-brainer style, and I love that these are chunky and have a little bit more body to them. So freaking cute. What do you guys think? I also got these small dome huggy earrings in silver. They're so small and cute. These two are so cute together and are like the perfect stacking combo. These are the double band earring cuffs. They're so pretty, tiny, and dainty. So for date night tonight, I'm gonna go with these dome huggy earrings and the double earring cuff. How pretty is this combo? The earrings are such a statement by themselves. I'm gonna keep my neck simple and keep on my mother's necklace, and I'm gonna throw on the rest of my look and get out of here. And here is my final look. As usual, I'll make sure to link all these wonderful products down in the description box. Also, make sure to give this video a thumbs up. And if you're into fun fashion, relatable content, make sure you hit that subscribe button and hit that notification bell so that way you get alerted anytime I drop a new video. And until then, I'll see you in the next one. Peace.